Learn to understand the bitter taste of coffee. Son, please make 2 cups of coffee for both of us. But don't pour the sugar first. Just bring it here along with the container. Okay, Dad. Not long after, his son had brought 2 cups of still warm coffee and sugar in the container, along with a small spoon. Try to taste your coffee, son. How does it taste? It tastes very bitter, Father. Pour a spoonful of sugar, stir. How does it taste? The bitter taste has begun to lessen, Father. Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? The bitter taste has lessened a lot, Father. Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? The sweet taste is starting to taste, but the bitter taste is still slightly felt, Father. Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? The bitter taste of coffee is no longer felt. There is a sweet taste, yes. Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? Very sweet, Dad. Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? Too sweet. It's not even good, huh? Pour another spoonful of sugar, stir it. How does it taste? The taste of the coffee is not good. It is better when there is a bitter taste of coffee and the sweetness of sugar is equally tasted, Father. You know, son. The lesson we can take from this example is, if the bitter taste of coffee is like the poverty of our lives, and the sweet taste of sugar is like wealth, then what do you think the enjoyment of life should be like, son? The boy thought for a moment, then answered, Yes, Father, now I am starting to understand that the enjoyment of life can be felt if we can feel life sufficiently, not exceeding limits. Thanks for this lesson, Dad. Come on, my son, the coffee that you have added sugar to. Mix it with the coffee that you have not added sugar to. Stir it, then pour it into these 2 glasses, then we will enjoy this cup of coffee. The son then did his father's orders. How does it feel? It feels very good, Father. Likewise, if you have excess wealth, it will feel good if you want to share it with people who are lacking. Thank you for watching.